future rushies, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 things that you should be doing right now if you're going through sorority recruitment this fall. But before I get into any of that, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. I'm posting multiple times a week because I want to make sure that you guys feel comfortable and confident going into sorority recruitment this fall. And also make sure you join our Sorority Recruitment 101 family by following us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All right, let's get into it. So this is a video kind of talking about the top 5 things that you should be doing right now if you're going through sorority recruitment this fall. Number 1, make sure all of your paperwork is in. This could include a headshot, resume, recommendation letters, any move-in information they might need for you. I know at Alabama we had to move in early, so we had to submit that stuff, but definitely go to your school's Panhellenic website to see what they require for you to go through recruitment and just make sure you have everything submitted. Number 2, follow all of the sororities at your school on social media. So they'll be posting content throughout the summer, but also once the girls get to work week, they'll be posting more and more of what the girls are doing in the house. It's a really great way to get to know chapters before you even step foot on campus. Number 3, definitely check out your school's Panhellenic website. I know I touched on this briefly before, but it is your guidebook to going through recruitment. It'll list all the sororities at your school and some fun facts about them, all deadlines, all timelines, schedules, what you need to have in. So definitely just familiarize yourself with the website. That way you know you have everything done and you're doing everything correctly going into sorority recruitment. Number 4, start planning your outfits now. I know recruitment seems like a million years away, but you really want to be organized heading into the week. The reason for this is just because nerves start to come up, get a little stressed out during the week. So if you can have all of your outfits planned down to the jewelry and shoes, you will thank yourself later, I promise. My advice for this is to order small plastic garment bags on Amazon. They're not expensive and you can put your outfit in there, and there's always a pocket for shoes and jewelry as well. So you can put everything together and just hang it up in your closet. Map it out from day 1 to day 7 or 8, depending on how long your recruitment is. And it just makes it easy. Like I said, the last thing you want to worry about when you wake up is what you're gonna wear. So if you do this before you even move into your dorm, you can just hang it up, you know you packed everything correctly, and you can just wake up, get ready, throw on your outfit, and focus on your day. And number 5, make sure you go to our website and download our free sorority recruitment planner. This planner is really great for you to download and print out right now so you can start thinking about your outfits. There's a sorority tracker so you can write down all the sororities at your school. There's some vocab in there as well because you'll learn there's a lot of acronyms during sorority recruitment and people throw words around, so that way you know exactly what they mean when your ROCI's talking about them or your recruitment counselor or anyone on exec as well. So it has all that in there for you and it's absolutely free. So just go to our website. On the main menu you'll see freebies. Click right there and then you'll be able to download our sorority recruitment planner. All right, you guys, that's it. That's the end of the video. I really just wanted to give you the top 5 things I think you should be doing right now if you're going through sorority recruitment this fall, just to make sure you are all set and ready to go. As always, make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on TikTok and Instagram so you never miss a new video. All right, I'll see you guys next time.